We're leaving right now.
Whoa, what the hell? What is that thing? Hey! Hey, come back here! Please stop running. I'm not gonna hurt you, I swear. I just need some help getting out of here, and I was wondering if you know a way out.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Oh my god!
Nobody move! If we all just stand still, they won't be able to sense us.
But they already know we're here.
Man, I just want to say something smart for once. Is that way too much to ask for? Sup, G? Is that all you got, fool? You okay?
Yeah, it's just... I thought I saw something.
Saw what?
Nothing. Let's just go.